Well, I was standing there for a second because I did not know if I turned on the camera or not. Oh my gosh, I got some footage in here today from last night. It's a fireworks show from last night that I went to after I had, uploaded this video. But my days are so off because I literally thought today was Thursday because I leave for Dallas on Friday morning. So I'm thinking today is the last day I can pack, because that's usually what I do. I kind of pack at the last second. And I said I need to pack today. I really don't have to, but I need to. And I came up to my room not knowing I came up here for something. I don't know if you care my dad, but he down there playing Call of Duty. Oh, that's what I came up here for. This wire. I need this wire. Because I literally have like so much footage from last night. It's basically a whole fireworks show. It's not the whole show. It's just like different clips of the show. But I definitely got the grand finale in there. The grand finale is most likely going to be at the end of this video. But the grand finale was awesome. And there's some in here. I don't know if the camera caught it because I couldn't really see through the camera when I shot it. But some of these fireworks, like it explodes one color. And they got like different colors behind it. Like some of it, if you can see, because I haven't looked back at it yet. But some of it is like, it looks red, but it's actually like green or yellow or something like that. That happened in most of it. That happened with like most of the fireworks that we got. Yo, you wanna be in the vlog too, JoJo? Say what's up. Say what's up. Now he don't act like I don't know what I'm saying. But if I turn this camera off, I tell him say what's up, he gonna start barking. But anyway, that's what most of the fireworks are, like different colors, but it doesn't really matter. Just seeing them was pretty cool. It was the only thing that made it uncomfortable was how humid it was. It was pretty humid, and I spent like most of my battery using my camera to get the footage for it. And it's about to get loud because we're playing Call of Duty right now. So it's about to be a pause right now. I think I'm gonna insert some of the fireworks show right here. Come on, I'm wasting film. I need a good one.
Can you see pretty good, Billy?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that was part of the fireworks show. The finale ain't going into the end. And I still gotta look through all that stuff. It's like 10 different clips. That was over my dad's colleague's house. So yeah. So if you hear people, you probably won't see them, but you're gonna hear people yelling and stuff. That was everybody that was there. It's like a little party, little Fourth of July party. They just saying Happy New Year. I mean, Happy 4th of July, not Happy New Year. New Year ain't even close. But yeah, that's that. And I think everybody was safe. I didn't hear about nothing bad happening last night. Like car accident wise or anything like that. But other than that, it was pretty cool. Got back home, because we ate before we left, and then got back home. Like, my dad had a slice of cake. I actually made a sandwich, and then went to bed. I was trying to watch Netflix. I fell asleep, like, how you, like, propped yourself up with your pillows. I was propped up with my pillows. I was knocked out asleep. I woke up at about 1, 2 o'clock, turned it off, put my headphones on, fell back to sleep. Woke back up, it was about 3 o'clock. No, it was about 5 o'clock. The sun was coming up, actually, because I looked out my window and I saw the sun coming up and everything, so. But, well, I didn't have to look out my window. Like, whatever light was coming through my window, I saw started getting brighter. And I just went back to sleep, didn't wake up to about 9. But, did that, and now I'm gonna make a video or edit some stuff, and it's probably gonna be a long video with all the fireworks stuff. So most of this is a fireworks show. So I mean, just to show y'all what I saw, and some of it is on my Snapchat. Like only 2 clips on my Snapchat from last night, but it should still be on there. They stay on there for 24 hours. But yeah, that's where I was at. So, but anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the fireworks show. It's gonna be random times where I put the fireworks. Well, actually, no, not yet. Not yet. The fireworks show don't come up yet.
You're not gonna eat them anymore now?
It's so blurry. There we go. Now I'm just have to pick and choose which clips I'm gonna put into the video. starting to get tired. My arm's starting to get tired. I hope you enjoyed that, because that was some more of the fireworks stuff. And there's somebody singing I put in there too. I don't know who. I didn't meet her personally. I had her singing. She was singing after the fireworks show was over. But here's the grand finale. I'm gonna put this in at the end like I said I would. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video. Make that gray button blue. Comment down below how your 4th of July went and everything. And then subscribe to the channel. So like, comment, and subscribe. And you subscribe to this channel, please hit the bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you know my videos are officially posted. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my social media accounts, all that will be in the description down below. This is my Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. If you cannot find me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Facebook, you probably typed my name in wrong, so please check your spelling and type it in again. And if you still can't find me after you check your spelling, comment down below in the comment section, and I will contact you personally, see if we can't get that issue resolved. But until next time, guys, peace. Got it too.
Whoa.
This is definitely the finale. right now.
Happy 4th of July!
I didn't say that.
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going. We got to sign you up right now. Go get this contract tonight.
I don't want to be a
Too late, Brenda.
I got a close up on you. You better keep going.
New York.